20 years ago, this was considered the highest level of snowboarding on the planet. And also 20 years ago, this is what a snowboarding video game looked like. But fast forward to the present day and you get... It's quite remarkable how the sport of snowboarding has progressed in 2 decades. Athletes are now doing what we once thought would only be possible in a video game. Now this is arguably due to competitive snowboarding pushing athletes to do more spins in order to win. As the infamous saying goes, spin to win. However, some say that this has come at a cost of reducing style and flow from the sport and making it seem more like an acrobatics contest, which has even led to commentators at a snowboarding competition to say,
I'd way rather see some dude do like the sickest 540 like MFM than fucking some dude like like spinning around in a circle, you know what I mean? It's like, how long can you hold up? Whoa!
So what happens when you take one of the best competitive snowboarders of the past decade and tell him he's not allowed to spin more than a 1080 for a video project? Well, we're about to find out. This week, I'm in the north of Finland with pro snowboarder and GoPro athlete Sven Torgren. Together, we're going to try create a unique snowboarding video that showcases the sport in ways you've hopefully never seen before. And I'm bringing you along for the journey.
Alright, made it out to Finland. It's like a winter wonderland here. This place is insane. Absolutely freezing though. It's like negative 12 degrees. Only about 4 hours of sunlight, so we gotta make the most of it. What's happening?
What up, dog? We're in Rukka, Finland, pretty far up in the north. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can get some creative GoPro shots up here. We got a sunny day, it's looking nice, pretty hyped.
Let's get it.
Now, because we were near the Arctic Circle, this meant we only had sunlight for about 4 hours a day. And because of that, we'd be filming a good portion of this video at night. This inspired us to try come up with some creative transitions from day to night. So the plan was to film the same tricks at different times of the day.
We're setting up the Max 2 on the 3-meter carbon extension pole. It's kind of become one of my favorite things for doing follow cams with, because you can just do really leap shots, especially when rail riding. So if you're going to be hitting a lot of rails this winter, snowboarding, skiing, this is kind of the ultimate follow cam setup for shitty rails. What do you reckon, Stan?
Wait, you can miss the shot, so it's that's a big thing, that you can miss the shot.
This would allow us to then perfectly reframe our footage in post-production. And for this, we would be using the brand new Asus ProArt GoPro Edition laptop. Now, Sven and I could perfectly match cut our footage from day to night.
We can switch from there day to night and just blend the two together.
That's gonna be insane, yeah.
And now we had a seamless transition from day to night. Because it was so effective, we decided to film a few more tricks in both day and night so that we would have a variety of different options for the final video. This moment right here is something not many people will ever get to experience. Therefore, to capture Sven's perspective of this, we mounted the Max 2 on his helmet so that we could document his crazy point of view.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Now, as much as I love to snowboard myself, I unfortunately do not possess the skills to hit these 60-foot jumps while filming at the same time. Therefore, we had to come up with a different plan to film Sven in third person. The first being for him to hold the selfie stick while hitting the jumps, which is insanely impressive. And the second plan was...
So we're going to try to get a shot with the Max 2 now on the 3-meter extension poles. Then it's going to do a frontside cork 3 and try hand tap the camera. Hopefully create a little transition out of it. Let's get it.
Oh! God, I feel like he was inches away. Oh yeah. Sick.
Oh yeah.
Oh dude, that's so good. That's so sick. Oh
Like
my
you can
gosh.
tell if I do it.
Yeah, just maybe it struggles with the speed. But in on the computer it's so easy.
Yeah.
One of the things I really like about using this ProArt laptop is the GoPro hotkey, which opens the GoPro player. This allows me to easily review my 360 GoPro content while using the touchscreen, thus speeding up my editing workflow and making it a more enjoyable process. Asus and GoPro really did an amazing job on creating a compact and powerful device for managing and editing all your GoPro content. If you want to learn more about the ProArt GoPro Edition laptop, I made a whole unboxing video on all the tech specs of this computer, which I'll link in the description. After reviewing the footage, Sven and I experimented with a few other unique angles before wrapping up all our filming.
Does that look alright, Chris?
I think it should be good.
I'm nervous for some reason, I don't know.
Is it strong enough for the landing?
Definitely not. I think.
Oh my god, that's insane. Stay on.
Now all we had to do was edit the final video.
Windmill, windmill for the land, love forever hand in hand. Take it all out on your stride, it is taking rolling down. Forever love is free, let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill, windmill for the land, everybody
Laughing gas, these hazmat, fast cat, put 'em up like abstract. Ladies, homies, got the track. It's my chocolate attack. Shit, I'm popping it harder this year. Yeah, yeah, ripping it harder this year. Watch me as I gravitate. Ha 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 ha. Ghost town, it's Motown with your sound. You in the blink, gon' bite the dust and bite it up. With your sound, you kill the ink. So don't stop, get it until you get it. Watch the way I navigate.